Good morning, guys and gals. It's day 482 of Raising Energy with the WCT. There's a helicopter over there. Oh, it's a bit chilly out. But I haven't spoken to you about my eye for a few days. It's been getting better and better, and I've been delighted, so I've really not been talking about it. But look, it's back again. I've got no idea. I've now got a wee spot thing under my eye today. So my wee left eye is taking an absolute hammering. Any suggestions, any ideas out there?
Is that what?
Is Daddy? Oh no, Dad's upstairs in the shower.
No, can we look anyone?
When Daddy comes downstairs, look, there's Bert and Ernie. You playing Sesame Street?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. I'm watching some Stampy do some Mario Maker.
He's gonna die, she's gonna die.
He's gonna die?
Like that one like that.
Did he manage it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
But he's gonna die.
Bruce getting ready to go to work. He's off to Edinburgh for a few hours. Go meet some people, shake some hands. Make sure your house is get clean. Right, Daddy, give me a big smile.
I guess in this outside.
No, don't that's rubbish, don't put it out. That was very naughty. Oh, rubbish outside. Look, there's Daddy, look.
Oh, he's gonna run.
You are really fast. Goodness me. Trying to climb out the window. Now don't climb in the radiator. That's tough. Come on, you. 1, 2, 3. Oh, don't you tip over.
I think that's a band. Let me look at the band.
Oh, go get it from outside. Oh, dear. Get the band. Good job. Right, come inside. I have it. I've got it. Right, you come in. This is Gemma's princess here from last night. There you go. Right, what you going to do? Do you have a plan? Play Mario Kart with me, huh? But I need to get some work done, I'm afraid.
That's one song. That's one song of food.
How can you deny that with your face, huh? Maybe.
One song, please.
Maybe. Let me get my work done, okay? And then I'll join you.
No one.
You don't want me to join you?
I do.
Can I get my work done first? Wait till.
Ah!
Oh, I know. What a brilliant job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You find them all. Don't look like 5. That is 5. Well done. And you had 6, 7. You did. You went to eat already. Where did you go to eat already? Lunch has arrived. Let's have. You got your lunch. You're enjoying Topsy and Tim. It's a bit hot, but that's okay. It should be good enough. I hope so. Right, let's have our lunch. So, Bodhi really wants to play Mario Kart with me. Whoop. What have been doing for the past hour? So we'll do a quick race. We'll have a quick race and got another hour before we have to get Gemma. You made it up. What did you make out of it? I don't know. Do you think Gemma will like it? It's a bit hilly, it's a bit snowy. We're about half an hour away from getting Gemma. Bodhi's tired. We've been playing some Mario Kart like you really wanted to do. It's really hard to lose. I'm working on it. Do what? We should play some Mario Maker. just walked from. One is literally, I just crossed the room. I'm seeing out the other window. The hail is bouncing, you're right. Intense.
I think the bird can't hear me.
It's like sheets of hailstones.
I think the bird can't hear me.
The birds can hear you, I know I can.
No, I think the bird can not hear me. But we can live in our house.
That's nice. Walk over to the other side of the room. What sky, huh? Pretty sure that was dry 5 minutes ago. Crazy. Bodhi's all excited. We've got some CBBS on, the iMac here on iPlayer. This is the new Teletubbies. Wow!
Here's a boy. Hey, here's a cow. Here's a cow.
4.
And she's a guy too. Here's a baby.
Dipsy, la la, ho,
Yeah, there's red.
Tinky Winky, Dipsy, la la, ho.
That is a new windmill, isn't it?
Wow. It's cool.
Oh, feathered!
I think I should say it to me.
Where have the Teletubbies gone?
And the baby knows.
The new baby nose.
I've been back home. That's a letter. Hey,
One day
Yes.
in Teletubbies,
that's
the Teletubbies were saying
They said hello. You say hello back?
first, Tinky Winky said hello to Dipsy.
So there we go. That's sorted my next 20 minutes until it's time to pick up Gemma. So yes, came out the bathroom and had to turn the hall light on because this is what outside looks like right now. I have to go downstairs and get Bodhi ready to go out in this. Where'd you go though? Quick, quick. Hi. We're going on a summer holiday. Yeah, springtime. La 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 la. I'm looking at the hail puddle. Right, let's keep going, 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 going. Like, we don't have to go out in this for that long. Sun's come out. It'll dry up all the rain and then Incy Spider can climb up the spout again. What do you think? Ready, 1, 2, 3, freeze! So they're hail hunting just now for all the wee spots of hail that are hiding in the cold places.
Hopefully no kids throw trash in there.
That wouldn't be good, would it?
If I saw like right here and if I saw just a pile of trash there, I would go to Mrs. Hay or Mrs. Wilson and say, hey, there's finding trash on the plants.
Wow, that wouldn't be any good, would it?
Look, our school is a right respecting school. I think this should be a right. That don't just garbage plants.
Don't just garbage plants.
Is that actually right?
That's definitely right.
That would be a good thumbnail. Look, like that. Just there. I made it by my mother. Good day, buddy. There's like
Hello, sleepy girl. You having fun? Are you saying goodbye to the Teletubbies? Are you falling asleep? Want to lie on the couch? They're funny, aren't they? Gemma's installed on the Mac. No blood sugar. Had a snack. Fucking snack. Just on the floor. Be careful. Sleepy Bodhi next door. How are you doing? Gemma's having some dinner. Hey Gemma. Bodhi's still sleeping. Daddy's not home yet. Sky is still doing its thing. Emptying the dishwasher. Just used to go in the dishwasher. Yeah. Rocking it. You're a what? You're a mushroom. You're a beautiful mushroom. Would you like me to help you?
shoot down.
Daddy's home. Hi, Daddy. Have we seen you yet?
No.
Hi. He's been home for a while. Things are crazy. You know. We're just going to be family meeting. My eye is bad today. I was just going to show you something there and then everything fell down. But Gemma peeled herself a carrot earlier. I was upstairs and I heard this kerfuffle in the kitchen. And she'd peeled herself some carrot. But I'm finding carrot everywhere, including, look, in the corner of my room. How? I'm finding it everywhere. Look, it's across my carpet. I was going to do my living room. What did they do? This is your what? Your trail. Yes, let's follow your trail because it's an incredibly, very trail while Daddy, Gemma and I have been talking. Bodhi has been building a ginormous snake of a trail which includes a bike all the way through to my desk. Ta-da! Now you're going to put the trail away, please?
No.
Very neatly.
It needs the trail.
You need the trail, do you?
Yes, it's one.
You? That's awesome, buddy.
You need to follow the whole trail though, because I mean there's bikes in this trail.
We can't go in there because there's no trail in there.
Wow.
No,
That's awesome.
Seriously, she did an entire trail with a jacket at the end. We won't pick up the jacket, no. Not for the next 10 minutes anyway.
Okay, good.
Right, are you still to dance?
Let's go do it.
Let's move. Follow the trail. It'll take us where we're going. I know the shorts in the middle of the pile. Yeah.
Summer's short.
Summer shorts.
Say
Yes.
to Summer.
Hello, Summer. Thank you for being here. Let's keep going.
Hey, she's big face.
Yep. Not even in basket anymore, but your shorts are. And they're now part of our vlog.
Yeah.
Day 482. What you gonna do? Right, so we're going to be dancing with this giant string of, what was it? Pathway? Trail. With a trail. And we're trying to get lighting in the room so this bit's cut off, so we're dancing in this section here. Alright, so the computer turned itself off and all the time that we spent chattering, being awesome, using the energy. everybody, it's day 482 of Dancing with the Wee Clan Torrance. Sorry if it's a bit dark today. We're losing the light, and the lighting in this room is awesomely difficult to manage. Anyway, we're going to dance and raise the energy. Check out the links in the description box below to find out why we're dancing every single day and raising the vibration and using the law of attraction to create a better world. Let's do it. You ready? Minor obstacle course today.
Apparently it's playing.
Well, it is an obstacle course.
Apparently it's playing.
The speaker's turn.
Don't work on me.
Playing the spoons.
That's it.
Take us out, Bodhi.
Alrighty, thank you for joining us.
Did you join your friend?
Go for a wee ride, yes. Bodhi sent you for a wee tumble. Alright, we'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for joining us. Bye.
Bye.
Are you going to be okay?
Carol's freaking out the magpies that have, I think, taken refuge somewhere at the top of our chimney. So they were.
Well, that was an interesting noise, wasn't it?
And now Bodhi's joined in as well. So our trees got chopped down, as you've probably seen in countless videos through the course of last year, because you're there watching them all.
Can you put on my trainers?
No, I can't put on your trainers.
Well, that
They're
sounded
far
like a
too
baby
small for
crying,
me.
didn't it?
You know, I have no idea.
It was the I've never heard that noise before. You didn't respond to a ghost. Woo! I did nothing. But ask me if they were okay. That's awesome.
No, they're now traumatized by a 3-year-old screaming, "Are you okay up there?"
Wait, see if you
What do you want?
Do you ever have an old shoe lying around yours? Do this and like make a note with it, then make a boat, and then make a store stuff in it. A storage store. Can you tie my shoes?
I think Gemma, Bodhi's invited them in for supper.
Oh, okay.
No burdens today.
No, thank you.
Good. So you've learned how to tie shoelaces then?
No, I have not.
Ah.
You have not.
There'll be a YouTube video on it, of course.
No.
That's how we learn everything now, is it not?
My foot is no.
YouTube, proxy parenting.
This one isn't fair.
I'm joking.
I
I don't know. I don't know how to tie backward shoelaces.
How's it backward?
I lie.
I'll hold it.
Try and see if you can maintain the...
I should have something wrong with me.
Is your foot in? No, you just... that's probably part of the reason why you can't tie your shoelaces. Even though when your foot's in a shoe. Shoelaces is like advanced stuff by comparison to knowing whether your foot's in the shoe.
Yeah. So there'll be a video because there's just a private thing like earlier, like a month ago. Like a little week ago, we were doing like with Giraffe, and one of the things I thought is that would you ever shotgun a bear or funnel a bear? And any comments down
Would
below.
Would you rather shoot a beer? No, shoot a bear or funnel a bear was what Gemma read, but it was would you rather shoot a beer or funnel a beer?
How do you funnel a beer?
You know what, there'll be plenty of time for you to find out in life. It's a great thing about it. Wait, okay, right, not totally in my face. Right. There isn't room to move when you've got a camera in your face. Yes, back to the mouth. Always the mouth.
If you look back on videos, that is my most like.
It's probably the tidiest pile of stuff that Bodhi's made. Open your mouth nice and wide. Try and put your tongue down, if that makes sense. Kinda. Right, no. I'm glad it's blurry. Really am. Although I'm surprised this camera shouldn't be blurry. Which phone am I on? Hello, Bodhi. That's your tongue. I'm not seeing any light. There must be something blocking it. Ah, strobe. What's
And then
that?
it would do a
Yes.
dance. Wait, no. Do a dance now. She's in a rock band.
She's in a rock band. She's in a rock.
Yeah, she's in a rock band.
I was like,
She's in a rock band.
yep. Why is everything so blurry in this camera at the moment? Jeez.
I'm in a rock band.
Well, there we go. That fixed it.
I'm in a rock band. I'm in a rock band.
You're wrecking the hotel room. That's what you're doing, isn't it?
La, la, la. Will you do dance? Or you'll laugh?
So this seems to be one of Bodhi's things at the moment, isn't it? It's an interesting
And Bodhi, do your rock band.
expression.
Bodhi, do your rock band dance.
I think she's done for the night. Right,
Do something off stage. Do something
off stage.
off stage.
Yes, our stage. Oh look, there's the costume department. Okay, let's check if we can see the light. I can see. No, I can't see the light.
Bodhi, Dad, I want to do it with you. Can I just do that? I kind of can for a dance.
You kind of can see the light in me. Yeah, no. Gemma, what would you like for supper?
Cuddles.
Cuddles. I can do cuddles.
Awesome family! Are you here? Are you the Wee Clan T?
Yeah!
Are we raising energy every single day?
Yeah!
Is it time to wrap up this vlog?
Yeah! No!
Are we?
No!
Are we excited?
Yeah!
All right, we'll see everybody tomorrow for more energy-raising fun. Be careful, everybody.
Injury-raising fun.
Energy-raising fun, please. No injury-raising fun. Oh, check out them trail.
Trail of injury.
Okay. All right, bye.
Bye. Do it really loudly in your head.
That's Daddy's head.
Bye!